In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit CSS in WordPress in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to make minor tweaks or significant changes to your website's design, editing CSS directly in WordPress is a crucial skill that can enhance the look and feel of your site. Now let's dive straight into the steps you'll need to follow to get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to wordpress.com. This is where we'll access the backend of your website to make the necessary CSS changes. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your login details. If you're like many users who prefer utilizing their Google credentials, go ahead and click on Continue with Google. From here, you'll be asked to choose the Google account you wish to use, so select the one that's connected to your WordPress account. Now that you're logged into your account, you'll want to navigate to the specific section of WordPress where you can edit your website's CSS. Start by clicking on your site block, which you can typically find within the WordPress admin dashboard. This action will take you to the site editor, where you can make direct changes to your website's design. Next, under the settings tab in the site editor, you'll notice an option labeled Advanced. Go ahead and click on Advanced. This will open up more detailed options for customizing your site. Within this advanced settings menu, look for the link that says Additional CSS Class. Clicking on it will allow you to input your custom CSS codes. Once you've accessed the Additional CSS Class section, you're ready to add your CSS code. Here you can input any custom styles you'd like to apply to your website. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Remember, CSS allows you to style various elements on your website, such as fonts, colors, spacing, and layout adjustments, giving you the power to customize your site's look precisely to your liking. After you've added your CSS, take a moment to review your changes. Make sure everything looks good and functions as expected. You might even consider previewing your site in a different browser or on another device to see how the changes appear across various platforms. And that's it, you've successfully edited your CSS in WordPress, tailoring your site to better fit your design vision. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your site's appearance without the need for complex redesign processes. Remember, small tweaks can make a big difference in user experience and engagement. Happy editing!